Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Amazon RDS, manage relational databases step by step clearly. To log into Amazon RDS and manage your relational databases, start by opening your web browser. Navigate to the Amazon Web Services homepage. If you are not already signed in, click on the Sign In to the Console button. Enter your account email and click Next. Input your password and click on the Sign In button. Once logged in, locate the Services menu at the top of the page. Click on Services to reveal a drop-down. In the search bar, type RDS and select RDS from the Services list. You will now be on the Amazon RDS dashboard. Here, locate the Databases option in the left-hand navigation panel. Click on Databases to see a list of your RDS instances. Identify the RDS instance you want to manage. Click on the Instances identifier to open its details page. Take note of the endpoint listed in the Connectivity section. Next, choose your preferred database client software. Open the database client and select the option to create a new connection. In the connection settings, enter the endpoint from your RDS instance. Input the port number used by your database, typically 3306 for MySQL or 5432 for PostgreSQL. Provide the database username and password you set up during instance creation. After entering all required details, click on the Connect button. If your credentials are correct, you will successfully log in to your RDS instance. You can now start managing your relational databases. Explore the various options available to interact with your database. Make sure to check for any security groups or access configurations if you encounter connection issues. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.